Hi, my name is Katie. I came to Instant Physio with a very old knee problem, which culminated in me not being able to walk. Pretty much, it was actually over a year ago now. So eventually, it was decided that my old knee needed to be replaced with a new one. I am quite an active person and I miss sports. And Instant Physio kind of just stood out to me. So my physiotherapy morphed into prehab, and then after the surgery, further morphed into rehab, and now on the way to personal training and physio combination. I was just searching on the internet, as you do. I was looking for a sporty physio because, in spite of appearances, I was in a lot of pain. I could barely walk from the car to the physiotherapy, and it was pretty devastating. I was assessed by somebody called Sophia. She was very good, immediately gave me things that I could do, but also challenged me, which did lead to improvements. I've been exercising with Steve since the summer, and Steve is, in my book, one of the most rounded, kindest people on earth. However, when it comes to physiotherapy, he is tough as a nail. He will challenge you, work you hard, and bring results. My knee is having its 6 months anniversary tomorrow, which is a good stage to be at because for the last 3 months or so it's been nice, functional, and been able to build muscle, which I found impossible with the old version. And it's great. I can walk, I can do lots of exercise. Yes, for example, I keep saying to my son, who has got some shoulder and neck problems, to try, have a go. Well, you will see great expertise. I have to say that I'm very impressed by Ed, and also his knowledge is immense. And he is also absolutely great at choosing colleagues because everybody here I've come across is absolutely lovely people, great people, very helpful and very knowledgeable.